What's up, guys? Today the tool peddler come by and he had a pretty cool light. So it's the Maxxeon 1000. So let's get this bad boy open, take a look at it. Alright guys, this is a Workstar brand. I'm not real familiar with it, but for the price and what it seems to be, seems like a pretty good deal. It's a Maxxeon 1000. It's a 120 lumen tip light and a 600 lumen cob light. It shows runtime high is 2 hours, low is 5.5, and the top stick is 7 hours. And it's got a micro USB charging port, and you can see it swivels kind of like all the rest of the slimline lights. So let's get this thing open and take a look at the actual light itself. All right, here is the light. So let's get this thing open. And it comes with a little power brick and a charging cable. But you can see here, it articulates kind of back behind itself and all the way around that way. It's got the power button on the back like most of them. That's the tip light. And mash it again. That's probably high. Nope, that's high. So, very bright. Once again, the tip light. I like that little tip light too, like shoving down in places and seeing what's going on. Low and high. And I believe it's got a magnetic base. It does. Really nice light. Got a rubberized button, battery indicators on there. There's your charging port. Like I say, the tool peddler came by today and he had this light, and I thought it was a good deal for what it is. Like I say, it's 120 lumens on the tip, 600 on this part. The only thing I've seen that I wish it did have that it don't have is, you know, a hook, because a lot of the vehicles are aluminum now, so a hook is definitely nice to have. But this light is $65 plus the shipping on it, and he said if you'll email him at simplytools01@gmail.com, he'll get you a quote on the shipping, but it shouldn't be very much because it's not very much weight at all. I've become a fan of the thin, I guess, blade type lights. I do like them, and this one seems to be really nice the way it articulates. And you know, it kind of got like a little click. It's a locking position in it, so that's pretty nice. But for $65, I mean, I thought it was a good deal. You probably bought this on a Snap-on truck, you probably pay 130 or so is what I was paying for the smaller ones. And this one's a lot longer and the battery lasts better on it. So you guys know that we're building some service trucks, and I thought something like this would be perfect to use in a service truck. So, I mean, 65 bucks, can't really beat that. The dude's a super awesome guy. Just give him an email. I'll put his email down here again at the bottom. simplytools01. Hopefully we'll get him to actually be on video with his truck pretty soon, and that way you guys can take a look at some of the more stuff that he's got. He's always got some, I call them bargain tools. They're not cheap tools by any means. They're nice tools. You guys seen the OEM stuff that he had, the Monster mobile tools that he had, and you know, stuff like that. So hopefully he'll have a lot more stuff coming up soon that we can have on here, and that way you guys can save a little bit of money and get some pretty nice tools. But shoot him an email, simplytools01@gmail.com. If you're interested in this light, 65 bucks plus shipping. I don't think you can go wrong. And instead of supporting Amazon, you'll be supporting somebody that actually works for a living and makes some money versus sit behind a computer. Anyway, guys, that's what I got today. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and click that subscribe button. You guys have a great week. We'll catch you next time.